Grüezi, I'm Andreas and I'm the maintenance manager.
My name is Peter and I'm the head of quality management.
Here we can see our office accommodation, which is on a mobile basis, and over there we have the tech office where our maintenance personnel can do their office work and study maintenance manuals. Up here we have changing room, the locker room, as well as break rooms.
And this is our workshop over there, and here we have a storage for our aircraft material. It will be a second floor at the end, then we have enough space for storage of the parts. And the next building is our sheet metal workshop.
Here, on the other side of the sheet metal shop, we can see the impressive jig for our U-52. This jig is only used to fix and repair the fuselage of the U-52, and to imagine is out of steel and has twice the empty weight of the finished U-52. Here we're going to create a special area for the assembly of the F-13s, and here we're also going to prepare them to take their first flight. As well, here in this area we will also maintain the Junkers U-52 and all the vehicles.
Finally, we have our lady here in AltenrheinAirport. We are very proud and happy.
As soon as our maintenance facility is approved according to EASA Part 145, we will start to install the fuselage in the jig and make the old lady ready for the next decades. We are excited to welcome the Waker team here in Altenrhein. Tschüss zusammen.
Bye.